My name is Cherry Malaya, and this is Spill the Tea. Today in this episode is going to be so interesting because we're going to be talking about dating. And I have my good friend Sheila Snow, Viva Max hot babe, and model with me, and as well as Micah Velarde, who's also an actress and model, joining me today for this episode. Oh, ready na ba kayo? Teka lang, before we do that, let's take a sip of tea muna, pampaano ng
Pamparelax. Okay,
pamparelax.
go.
Cheers,
Cheers with the
guys.
tea.
Sarap.
Medyo kinakabahan ako mag-answer ng mga questions na to, ha?
Bakit ikaw ba mag-answer? Akala ko ba ako?
Mag-a-answer rin ako,
Both,
syempre.
okay.
All of us.
All of us, actually. So, okay, ready ba kayo malaman ng sasagot from Sheila? Ito na, our first question.
Wala pa nga.
Ito na. Wait.
Grabe.
Teka lang, single ka ba?
Single na single.
Ay, single na single kayo.
We're
How
all,
about
I'm
yes.
single.
Okay, I think everyone here is single. So, we can talk about this. You know, everyone is free. Anyway, so, what are the top 3 things you look for in a man?
Iba-iba. Pero number 1, emotional maturity.
Okay.
Yes.
Second, actually, consistency. Okay, so my third is like a compassionate guy or yung kind.
Yes.
Kindness.
Okay.
Bakit ikaw? Like,
Checklist to. Yeah.
Oh, ikaw na
checklist.
muna, Micah.
Ay, for me, I want a guy na intentional. Like, he can lead. You know, like, he knows what he wants. Kasi, that's when I know he's a masculine guy. I need that. Kasi, pag go with the flow, oh my God, hindi talaga
Oh my
gumagana
God.
sa akin. I've already experienced. And then, second, I want someone na sociable because I'm extrovert. So, I don't know. I've tried naman introvert, pero gusto ko yung, syempre, yung friends
Yung marunong
ko.
sumayaw.
Yeah. Hindi, pero hindi naman super important. Pero like yung makipag-usap sa friends ko, sa family. Yung ano ba, medyo machit-chat. Kasi ayoko ako lang, tapos like nandyan lang siya sa side ko. 'Di ba?
Tama.
Parang pair na pair kami, alam mo yun.
so hinahanap mo pang external. Ako na yung
Oo.
nag-interview sa'yo. Okay, sige. Akala mo ha. Ibabalik ko sa inyo lahat.
And then third, hindi, ano rin yun, internal, kasi parang you wanna get to know my world. You know?
Tama.
Kasi kasama yung mga friends ko dun
Okay,
sa
na,
world
yung
ko.
pang third mo naman.
Third is, he can bring me anywhere. Like, gusto ko yung may,
Proud siya or mapera kasi pwede kanya madalhin sa kahit saan, travel the world, ganun.
ma-travel. Kasi I love
ma-travel.
traveling.
Okay.
Kasi, dun kami maka-experience together. Yung patience, yung mga, I don't know, anything.
Totoo yan
about-
actually.
Yeah.
Alam mo, sabi nila, dalin mo daw yung yung significant
Yeah.
partner mo abroad, tapos malaman mo yung ugali.
Kahit out of town lang.
Hindi rin. Kahit out of town.
Out of
Out of
town?
town lang.
Well, sa akin kasi abroad. Siyempre, yung target natin, hindi out of town, di ba?
Oo. Pero traveling. In short.
Sige, ako naman, hinahanap ko siyempre, kabaligtaran nung, was secure guy.
Yeah.
I need a secure guy talaga because I'm in the entertainment business. He has to have, like at least confidence in himself that he has me and that I chose him. Na kahit na marami
Yeah.
nagkaka, like,
Yeah, secured actually.
Yeah.
mga lumalapit, di ba?
Oo.
So, that's normal
Right.
kasi for some, an entertainer or like a singer like me, na palagi akong kinakausap ng mga guys and I need someone who's secure with himself that he has a good woman by his side.
Yeah, kasi madami ka rin guy friends,
True.
right?
And I love my guy friends and I would never like not hang out with them.
Ako din.
Because my guy
Yung best
friends are
friend
super
ko,
awesome.
lalaki.
You know?
Yeah.
Oo. Most
It's
of my friends are guys, but I have you also,
Ako naman. Don't bitch us, girl.
Pero
Okay.
yeah, important kasi factor yun eh. Like, doon mo makikita
Yun,
kung-
security. Second ko is well, kanina kasi sinabi nila yung emotional maturity.
Yeah.
So
Pwede
that's
rin naman. Pwede rin. What?
Oo. Sa akin, kailangan emotionally mature siya.
Yeah.
Like he can handle an argument without acting like a kid and throwing a tantrum.
And
Kasi,
may accountability when you're
oo,
wrong.
yun, important yun
yun.
for me.
Yeah.
Ngayon pala, naiirita na ako.
Oo. Talagang kailangan yung accountability, promise. Kasi syempre pag kunyari, meron times na medyo ma-pride tayo, 'di ba? So, ayaw natin ng inaapak-apakan tayo ng guys eh. So, like sometimes I get a little bit maldita. And I need
Okay.
somebody who's gonna be like, hey baby, it's gonna be fine, it's gonna be okay, just calm down.
Yes.
Someone's gonna make me
Grown
feel
up.
like a woman.
Like a woman na okay ka maging vulnerable in front
and then
of him.
everything is taken care of.
Yes,
ganyan.
yeah, that's true.
Tapos yung maalaga. Yan. Mahilig ako gusto ng maalaga kasi maalaga ako. So I need someone who's actually my equal also. Na, meets me in the same level of alaga-ness that I do. Like,
That's
I really
expectation
I really spoil my
It's
guy.
rule para sa isang guy.
Yeah, of course. Like, he
Like,
has
he
to.
cannot,
Well, I'm
hindi
not
kayo
gonna
pwedeng,
set
like,
a standard
pantay.
where, like, he has to be this way and that way. But what I mean to say is, like, kunyari, if I need something, for example, I have a gig, and then he's gonna be there to support me. And that's also a type of
Yeah.
alaga where, in a way, he's gonna show up for me.
Okay.
And then the same thing, like, when I get sick, takes care of me. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? I need a man, not a baby,
Got
not a
it.
man-child. Yeah. Okay, second
Alam mo
question
yun.
natin is it okay to make the first move? Or do you make the first move?
What kind of
sa
first
guy?
move?
No, I'm serious.
Nag-introduce pa lang.
Yeah,
First
yeah.
move,
When you
like, what
introduce
kind?
pa lang. Like, not in,
Yung
not
di
in
mo pa
like,
siya kilala?
But, yeah, like, what do you mean? Like, kunyari, you see a guy and you
Yeah.
like them.
Oh, no. I don't talk to guys when I'm out.
At all.
Not really
Oo nga
at
pala, kasi ito yung,
all.
siya yung nilalapitan, tapos biglang hinahag na lang siya.
Yeah.
Well, ayoko rin na hinahag. Don't ever
mostly,
touch me.
May
so
personal
red
space
flag
ka.
yun last time. That guy that was
What
like, this is my
happened?
girlfriend.
Wait,
Ano na hindi mo alam?
Kung ako lang nandun, papakita ko talaga yung flirtatious style ko.
Paano?
Ako
Pag
din
mag-isa
kaya ko,
ka,
but not
makaya
with
mong
so,
flirt,
okay.
ganun. So,
So,
paano nagpa-flirt tayo isang Micah
ito,
Velarde?
I did this already, okay? So, I went up to the guy, nasa bar kami, tapos sabi ko, hey, my friend wants to know if you're single. Tapos sabi niya, oh, really? Yeah, I am. Who's your friend? And sabi ko, me. And then
Nag-work
ha?
naman.
Uy, oo.
Naging boyfriend mo yan.
Yeah. Oo. 1 year
Me?
na kami.
Magamit mo nga yan. Line na
Okay,
yan.
kilala ko to. Kilala ko to.
Kilala ko yan. So, di ba? It works. Pero a lot of people think like, it might not work because you think it won't work. Pero pag may confidence ka na, I just
Yeah,
wanna...
depende siguro pag type na type ko yung
Yeah.
guy.
Or kasi
Alam mo,
ko.
baliktad ako. Pag type na type ko yung guy, talagang, as in,
Pameme
parang
ka?
tumitiklop ako. I can just look at him and be like, notice me.
Kaya ko mag-flirt ng patingin-tingin lang. Ba't hindi
Nuts.
kita lalapitan?
I can't.
Hindi ko lalapitan
Hindi ko
talaga.
lalapitan.
I'm
Yeah.
so feminine in that and my values parang
Yeah,
hindi
sige, value ka.
Feminine.
Oo
Ano
naman, gaga.
Nag-overthink ka. Kasi
Hindi.
like you're already
Inisip ko talaga
thinking.
parang kailangan siya yung lumapit kasi ako yung
ako yung
girl.
pabebe.
Ako yung girl.
Sa bagay.
Gagi. Okay, so what do you do if the guy asks to split the bill on the first date?
On the first date,
Oh.
Magbubula ka?
Parang nababasa
Kunyari
mo sa
ganito,
amo.
ayan na. Like,
Take
oh,
up
babe,
at
ito
all
na yung,
costs.
dumating na
Parang
yung bill.
namumula ka,
Dumating na
Sheila.
yung bill. Tapos biglang, here, yours is, 500
Magka-calculate.
pesos.
Okay.
alam mo, kung on our first date, kahit 5,000 pesos pa yan, babayaran ko, pero I'm not gonna see you again.
Ay, the same.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm the same.
Okay.
Kasi magugulat, first date, okay lang. Second date, third date, pwede mag-split na tayo ng bill.
Hindi, ako hindi rin. Out of experience, a third date, someone told me parang, I'll get this one, you get that, the drinks later.
Okay.
Naku, ang ginawa ko, I paid for the whole bill, even the drinks. Ganon. Tapos I didn't na hang out with him
Kaya
after
ko
that.
naman, pero wag yung parang early dating stage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ayoko na ko, kasi kailangan provider.
Tsaka ikaw yung
You know,
nag-invite
like a guy-
sa akin.
But the
Ayun.
guy has to be the
Excuse
one
me,
to,
yes,
like,
actually.
pursue you. He's pursuing Kung boyfriend mo na yan.
Kung gusto mo pasikat, ikaw magbayad.
Hindi, ang for me kunyari boyfriend mo na and you guys are steady, dating, and you love each other, it's okay. You
Boyfriend,
treat the
yeah.
guy.
Mag-offer
But then,
ako.
They're suitors. They're trying to, woo you. No way. Like, there's
Best
no
foot forward
way.
ka dapat lagi.
Sa akin din, hindi ko kaya.
Ang alin? Split
Pero
the brain.
mahirap ang
No.
best foot forward kasi pag best foot forward, parang hindi na yun yung totoo nila.
I
So
have
parang,
two brothers
how are you
kasi.
gonna be
like,
consistent with that?
We raised them na parang they shouldn't date without money. Like, kung wala kang money or you're in a budget, okay lang, but
listen
don't
guys ha,
date.
important to.
But
Don't
don't
date.
Kasi,
Lalo na when you're
ah,
not secure
I don't know,
financially.
I was raised like, to be honest, you don't need to date kung di ka talaga ready. Pero what I learned is, if a guy is stressed about money or he's not happy about his job or what, he shouldn't date. You know, kasi lumalabas dun yung kung stress
Napoproject
siya.
mo.
Oo.
Yes,
So,
that's
wag na muna. No one's like forcing anyone.
Okay. Older guy or younger guy?
Older now. Older now. Older na.
Dati.
Kasi I did, the last time I dated a
Magandang
guy na 28 years old.
You know what? For me,
Sobrang
I don't think it's
disappointed
about
ako.
age. To be honest with
no.
you, I tried dating younger. And then, ganun din yung ugali ng 40-something-year-old.
Okay.
So, it
Kasi
really
hindi pa
depends.
sila mature
It really
enough.
depends on their maturity.
Naiinis ako,
Ganun
Cherry.
talaga. Ang guys kasi late
Inom mo yan.
mag-mature.
Inom mo yan.
Inom mo na muna.
Hindi masyadong mainit.
I might spill
Sa
the
akin,
tea.
sa akin, I used to date younger kasi I was like before when my friends were like the same age, they already talked about marriage and all. And hindi pa talaga ako ready. Ang tagal ko na hindi ready for like settling down. Pero kaya ko yung long-term boyfriend. So, I used to date younger. Pero ngayon, I'm open to older. You know, basta,
Ako very open.
Basta
Ayoko
young
naman
yung
younger.
energy niya. Kasi
parang hindi
meron
ko
namang
kaya yung-
older
Yes,
na parang
na
tito
parang-
ko na. Ayoko naman ng parang tito.
Parang
Siguro
dad mo na.
kasing
Like,
age
hi,
ko.
dad.
Pero not older, like 50s, ha? I cannot. I don't know. I'm already imagining wrinkles
Ako
and
pwede like 10 years.
wrinkly and
older.
you know. I know. Anyway.
Excuse
So,
me.
what?
Sabi tawag.
Hello.
Pero kasi,
Fuck, man. I'm
no,
here.
depende kasi, di ba? Depende kasi sa...
Ashley?
What is wrinkly?
Wrinkly, may lines daw
Tika, tika,
dito.
tika,
Craziest thing you've done during or after your breakup?
Oh, shit.
Eto, juicy to. Juicy. Gusto ko malaman. Gano'n ka
During my
crazy siya,
breakup, nagwala ako sa bahay niya.
Yes.
Pinapahagis ko yung mga gamit niya. I mean,
Bakit? Kasi siya lang nakapag-break talaga. Or hindi yun mutual.
una, he's French. See? Walang ano to. Ayokong isi-censor to. I'm not scared.
Oo.
Sine-name drop mo natin yan. Hindi. Okay, hindi pwede. Okay.
Baka ma-libel tayo siya. Nagwala ako sa bahay niya. And then nag-beg ako. Like, I mean, crazy. Because
Crazy nga to eh. Crazy nga yung question.
crazy. I begged na parang, oh my God, please don't break up with me. Parang,
Ganon?
Oh.
Ganong
before.
level? Si Sheila's doon.
Oo.
Nag-beg.
Nagbe-beg ako. Ganong
2
level
million
dapat.
followers.
Grabe naman.
2 million.
200K lang.
200K.
Yun na
Ay,
yung
sorry naman.
pinaka-crazy ha.
Hindi ko na maalala sa sobrang dami. Like, pero yun lang yun.
Pogi ba to?
It's
This guy?
crazy na
It's
you're
crazy.
begging for your,
Yeah.
ano,
Oo,
for...
that's true.
Crazy in
Never
love.
beg. Guys, never beg. Okay?
Yeah,
Crazy in love.
never.
Crazy na sa akin yung umiiyak na yung guy nasa lobby namin. So yung guard, tinatawagan ako sa intercom. So like,
So, nangyari na rin
siya
pala
yung
sa
nagbebeg.
intercom.
So siya nagbebeg. And then, I think kasi nahuli ko siya mag-cheat. And then, so sabi ko, break na. Tapos, tawag ng tawag yung guard sa intercom, nakakahiya. Kasi parang, ayoko na.
Hindi naman ikaw yung crazy.
Hindi naman ikaw yung crazy.
Pero ang crazy ko kasi hinayaan ko lang siya
Cancelled.
doon.
Cancelled yung question.
Hindi, crazy yun kasi naiinis na yung mga
With
guard sa
Micah.
akin. Bahala siya doon.
That's the experience. But you've done yung ginawa mo.
Sige. Pwede na ba kayo marinig kung ano yung pinaka-crazy na ginawa ko?
Oh, sige.
Okay, go.
Sige.
Hinabol ko siya ng kutsilyo.
Oh my God! Meron pa pala ako mas crazy. Thank you for reminding me.
Hindi ako makakarinig.
Shocks! Thank you for reminding me. Okay,
Hinabol
meron
ko
pa
siya
ba?
ng kutsilyo sa street. Kasi una, pagbukas ko ng door, kasi ganito yon nahuli ko siya nag-cheat. Tapos I confronted. May kutsilyo akong basta meron ako nun. Basta. Tapos,
Bilisan mo mag-explain.
sorry naman na. Tapos kasi nire-recollect ko yung nangyari sa akin. So anyway, ayun. So, dapat sasaksakin ko siya. Hindi ko siya inabot.
Uy,
Wait, can I do this? I don't know if I can do it. So anyway, wait lang. Hindi ako ganun ka-crazy kasi he cheated on me with my second cousin. So can I tell this story?
I don't know.
if I
Go
should.
lang.
It's actually up to you. Kung
So,
comfortable ka.
wait lang. Okay, anyway.
Oo.
So yun, nung nalaman ko, syempre nabaliw yung cherry. So, hinabot ko siya ng kutsilyo. Una, sa door muna, hindi ko siya inabot, sinara niya. So, yung door yung sinaksak ko. Tapos,
Parang ano to, Chucky's Bride.
that's why I don't get married, guys. So, anyway,
Imagine.
so, anyway,
Ako
okay.
natakot.
No, you know what? For
Wait,
me,
wait,
it's
wait.
satisfying.
You know what?
to
I'm laughing
hear.
na lang now kasi going back,
Okay,
I'm like, oh my God, I was so crazy pala when I was younger. So, anyway, I went down the stairs. I followed him in the street with the freaking,
Parang ayaw kitang
hinabol
galitin.
ko talaga siya with the kutsilyo. And
Wag.
hindi pa yun yung pinaka-crazy na ginawa ko. Meron pa ako isa pang ginawang
Dapat pinaka.
crazy na meron ako sinagasaan na guy. But he, he deserved it because,
Oh my God! He deserved it! Protecting my teeth.
Like, in my defense,
Sige, defend yourself.
he deserved it because sinakar punch niya yung ex ko back in the day nung okay pa kami sa likod ng ulo, which could cause brain damage. So,
You're very
when-
physical.
Yeah, so when this guy was in the street after nila nag-ramble sila, okay? This was back in the day, early 2000. And we were a little
Teka,
bit
sa
more
galit mo
crazy.
bumaba.
Sorry. We were a little bit more crazy back then, you know. So, nag-away sila, tapos yung guy nandun sa tumatawag ng resback on the phone. And then, he was really good target for me because I was driving. So, when I saw him, he was standing there on the phone trying to call for resback. So, I kind of like, just kind of like,
Ganun lang. Parang
hindi
subtle.
naman siya sorry, hindi siya nabalian ng buto, okay?
Okay.
Walang
Nabangga
ganun
lang siya,
nangyari.
okay? You're
But, umurpit siya sa sidewalk, tapos may konti siyang galos, but,
Hindi ako siya nabalian.
ang matalino Cherry, okay, back in the day, because I'm very smart, I went straight to the freaking presinto, nagpa-blatter ako.
Okay.
So, nireklamo ko siya ng physical assault. Kasi nga, nag-away sila ng ex ko.
Self-defense.
Self-defense. But with a car.
Uy, maganda rin. Okay lang.
Sorry, ayun na. Okay na, sige na. After
Okay.
nun, you know what, nagpakatino na ako. Kasi after that, wala na akong like my
Dapat
ex
ikaw
was
yung
toxic.
guest namin.
Oo nga. Hindi.
Ako na po yung main host.
I think they deserve it if, they, parang sinadya.
Kasi grabe
may
yung
sinadya
ginawa
sila.
niya
Oo,
eh. Pwede kasing ma-injure,
Actually-
diba? So, anyway, yun. Craziest thing.
I'm so
My
nice.
God, you're crazy,
naman.
Cherry.
Okay.
I'm
Kasi
so
ako
nice.
gagalitin, guys. Gemini.
Actually,
So anyway,
oo.
pinaka-gross na first kiss. Or first date experience.
Ano yung gross?
So wala.
Wala akong maalala kasi ayoko na alalahanin. Selective amnesia.
Ay, meron ako. Oh my gosh, artista na siya ngayon.
Sino?
na.
Spill.
No, nag-kiss lang kami, tapos yung, niya, yung tongue niya, pag ganun-ganun.
Alam drill.
Jackhammer.
Uy, by the way, ang gwapo niya, pero
O, sige, wait. Importante ba
turn
itsura?
off.
Sa guys?
Turn off.
Kunyari, okay lang.
Importante. What is importante? As long as malinis ka.
Like, so kahit pangit, basta malinis.
Hindi ko alam kasi kung ano yung pangit sa inyo eh.
Subjective.
Yeah, it's
Right?
subjective. So,
I guess so. I mean, oh yeah, your last ex. I'm just kidding.
can you guys?
Inumin mo na yan. Inumin mo na yan. Huy, sino?
Hoy, guilty rin ako dyan, okay? Guilty rin ako.
I wanna put my
Teka,
face on
Guilty
this.
rin ako in
Wait,
giving
yung
chances
last
to
niya?
ugly guys, okay? Or not naman.
What is even
medyo
ugly?
Yung ugly, yung pag-
ugly
pag
Hindi
guys.
kasi ako
nag-away
like
kayo.
sa face or ma-physical, more on okay.
Heart.
No, I'm mentally stimulated. So,
Yes.
part na yung physically.
Sapiosexual.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Alam mo, ganyan ako dati. But when I woke up with the ugly guy, I was like, oh my God.
Hindi pa naman.
Sa akin, pag
I was like,
nakipag-away,
really? Cherry, this is who you chose?
Ang daldal, oh.
You could have
Hahagisan ko to
chosen
ng ano.
so many. Ay, tapos dito, hindi pwede yan. Papablatter kita,
Tikap
girl.
ko. Try mo, babablatter ako. Basta huwag mo lang akong babanggayin.
pag may kotse siya,
Gaga,
alam mo
feeling ko
na.
nung nakasakay ka sa kotse ko. Habang nababangga tayo.
Ako pa rin.
Ikaw yung sasabihin mo sa akin, Cherry, yan, banggain mo yan. Ako naman,
Hindi natin pwede. Hindi natin
I'm a
pwede
girl's
gawin.
girl.
Ang
Okay?
init!
I'm a girl's girl. I got you back, you know. Feeling ko, pag pinipili ako,
Ibabablatter niya ako, pero ako kasama niya
this is for the
magbangga.
record, ha? Pinipili ako.
Accessory of the car.
Yung girlfriend ko na girl, or siya, pinili ko yung girl, gagi.
Ang
Sabi
init
ko,
mo.
ay ganon. Never mind. I'll just pick my girlfriend.
jacket.
Ayoko.
Okay, okay.
Okay, go.
Have you ever cheated on a partner?
Grabe naman yung tanong mo. Pwede namang,
Diba? Parang nakaka-shame
have you been
naman.
cheated on? Ganon.
Kala
So,
ko,
ayaw mo
napaparinig
sagutin
na
yun.
Hindi ko sasagutin yun kasi mahaba usapan
Have you
niya.
ever cheated or have you ever been cheated on?
ganun
Ayun
na
na lang. O sige. Para safe. Oh my God, yung mukha mo.
Yes. Yes lang.
Ano doon?
Hindi ka
Palitan niyo yung
aamin.
tanong.
Sige.
Palitan
Next
yung tanong.
question.
Okay, gwapo na mahirap o pangit na mayaman.
Tanong yan.
Grabe kasi yung mga
Baka
tanong.
gusto niyo inumin. Grabe yung tanong mo.
Hindi na pang chat yung usapan mo.
Piliin mo na!
Nabibingi na ata yung listeners natin.
We need an answer from Sheila Snow.
Okay, okay.
Gwapo na mahirap or pangit na mayaman? You can
Pili ka
only pick one and you cannot cancel out both.
Pangit na mayaman.
Tawa yan.
Oy, sabi mo, sexual ka. So,
Oo, pero
ano?
pinapapili niyo ako eh.
Oo.
Kunyari, pangit pero matalino pala.
Ay, sorry. Nasisipa na kita.
Ang hirap naman.
Ano ba? Pumili ka na, Sheila. Madali lang yan. Sabi,
Sige, ano mo?
Pangit na mayaman na lang.
Ano muna? Si Cherry muna.
Shit.
Siyempre doon siya sa
Sagutin
pangit
mo
na mayaman
muna.
kasi na-experience na niya yun.
Oh,
Oh, shit. Wait lang. Wait lang. Tayo. Grabe dito talaga
Ang
na
init.
spill the tea. Spill the tea is getting hotter and hotter every episode. I'm so
Bilisan
sorry.
mo,
Kaya
kailangan
kulang
natanggalin
ano
yung
kami.
jacket ko.
Dating pa
Okay,
lang
hoy.
to.
Or sige, last na. Or, drunk texts have you sent any recently?
Yeah.
Ang hina, ang hina.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Guilty. Guilty. Ano naman yung sinend mo?
Anong sinabi mo?
Hey.
Ay, meron yung hey na.
Anong oras?
Triple Y. Hey.
Anong oras?
Tatlong dot. Hey.
Okay.
Dat.
Oh, tapos sumagot naman siya. Hindi.
Sumagot.
Ano sabi niya?
Hi.
Tapos, yun na.
Walang drunk text lang. Wala talaga, hindi kami
Ay,
nakita.
corny. Okay. Wala.
Wala eh.
Ang
Wala.
sad nun.
Oh, would
Ako,
you-
wait.
Ay, sorry.
Never ako nag-drunk text. Pero
Wow!
trinay ko once. Kasi parang I felt so, nainggit ako sa mga friends ko na nag-drunk text. Try ko kaya. So, trinay ko. Okay naman.
Would you accept a drink from a guy kahit di mo siya type?
No. Never. I can buy my
no.
own drink.
Never.
Independent woman.
Can you buy
Ako, I'll accept it. I'll accept it. I'll be like, give me the drink. Wait lang, galing sa bar ha.
Galing sa bar na
Make sure,
nakikita
make
mo. Ako,
sure. Oo,
never.
make sure.
Never.
Kasi girls don't accept drinks from strangers, number one. Okay, but
Yeah.
for me,
If you're my
kunyari,
friend, it's okay.
why not? He wants to buy me a drink, sure. Hindi ko siya type, okay lang. Hindi ko siya
But
papansinin.
from a
I'll
random
give
guy?
him my IG. Could just be a fan.
Yeah, just follow me. It's public.
O, PDA.
No.
Wala, hindi ka ma-PDA. Talaga ba?
PDA.
Really?
Pag ako
Nag-figure
pinidate mo,
kasi
may
si
hiya ako.
Sheila.
Hindi,
O,
pero
kasi
siguro,
kailangan may meron subscription.
bago mo ako i-PDA, mag-subscribe ka muna sa akin.
Bagay.
Galing
Pwede
na ka.
naman.
Anyway.
Kasi para investment. Are you investing in
Sa akin,
me? or
I
what?
love PDA. I don't know
Ako
why.
rin, I love.
I really love PDA. I like public affection. You just, like, I love this guy. I'm gonna show everybody that I'm proud to be with you. That's
Anong
how I
klase
am.
PDA ba to?
Wala lang yung mga
Kandong?
hindi naman.
Kandong?
Yeah, that. Anyway, I'm so sorry, but we have to wrap this up. I wish we had more time because this is such juicy conversation. But you know what? that means we're gonna have another episode
Yes.
just about this topic, and then hopefully Sheila will be available for us to guest her again, because we just love picking on her, you know.
Just talk to my secretary.
Yes.
But thank you so much for watching. This is Spill the Tea, and I love you guys. I hope you guys can follow us and subscribe to our channel. And we're going to be coming up with more juicy episodes with juicier guests. Thank you, Sheila Snow.
you.
Thank you, Micah. This is Cherry Medalla. Oh, and thank you, Waxy Fight Studios, for having us and sponsoring this venue for us. Thank you so much. Good night.